Carl.
Martin, welcome back.
How are you, sir?
Hi.
Emily, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Kayla, you remember this beautiful lady here?
Hi.
Hey, thank you so much for having us. Oh, your dress is beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
We're so glad you guys could come.
It's our pleasure. Thanks again.
I'm gonna go to the bar and get a drink. Does anyone want anything?
No.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay, I'll be right back.
She looks amazing.
Yeah, she's doing well. Look, going away is hard. So is coming back for everyone.